Okay, this is a short lesson on how to create a random number. So I'm gonna create 3 random numbers. So I'm gonna put as a short answer, and it's gonna be have no context. You know? So I'm gonna create a variable p, and it's gonna be just a whole number. I am going to create a variable q, and it's gonna be a decimal. It's gonna be a decimal. And then I'm gonna produce another number r, and it's gonna be a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. Okay. And so it'll control D for algorithm. Tab takes me to new. I'm gonna say p, and I'm just gonna create some random number from 1 to 9. Let's just do 1 to 9. So all you do is you say random 9, and that'll give me a whole number between 9 and 10. I'm going to create a new one, q, and it's going to be a random number. And again, it's going to go from 1 to 9. But I want a decimal, so I'm going to divide by 10. Yeah. And then I'm going to get a random variable number r, so random. And again, 9, but this time I am going to multiply by 10. And I want you to see the difference. So you use the asterisk to represent multiplication. So I'm done. So I insert the variable p. So there it is. I will insert the variable q and variable q. And then I'll insert the variable now r. Insert variable r. And when I press this, notice this gives me a whole number 7. This is decimal, and this is multiples of 10, so 30. And again, you will find a use for it. Sorry, I click on the wrong one. So 3.8, 10, 88.8. And again, notice that it gives me different numbers, okay? And so I'll record it. Oh. It wants an answer, so I'm just gonna say same word, you know. Then out of context, just simple lessons.